The first step is relatively simple. Find the correct block. HLC is this row, and 9000 is this column. The more difficult task is interpreting the numbers. First, though, let's distinguish between true and magnetic, because that will eliminate at least one option here. A memory aid is, if it's written, it's true, and this table is written. Like METARs and TAFs, WIN's Aloft tables are written publications and are therefore always in reference to true north. So we can eliminate answer B. Looking at this table as a whole, there's some blank spaces, some 4-digit numbers, some 4-digit numbers followed by a sign and a 2-digit number, and some 6-digit numbers. Winds aloft are not forecast within 1,500 feet of an airport, which explains the blank spaces. HLC, for example, is in Kansas at 2,200 feet elevation, too close to 3,000 MSL to forecast that altitude. There's a note at the top of the chart reminding us that temperatures are negative above 24,000, which explains the lack of a plus or minus sign on the right half of the chart, and also gives us a hint that the last 2 digits are temperature, with a positive or negative sign. Temperatures are omitted within 2,500 feet of airport elevation, which explains the 4-digit numbers. So the code we're trying to understand is a 4-digit number representing wind direction and speed, followed by minus 0.3, the temperature. We now have enough information to correctly answer the question. With true winds and a temperature of -3, it must be answer C. The 4-digit code represents the wind direction, with the last digit dropped, and the wind speed in knots. This code tells us the wind will be from 210 true at 13 knots. It's best to memorize the order, but skimming the chart can give some hints. For example, in the rest of the HLC line, the wind stays from roughly the same direction, southwest, while the speed increases to 41, 48, and 55 knots. These numbers can't represent a direction since they're more than 36. They must be speeds. This order is the same as in a METAR, except those retain the full 3 digits of the direction. It has no bearing on this question, but let's look at these last 2 boxes showing a wind direction of 7.3 at St. Louis. Looking at the whole row, there's a consistent wind direction, 230, and an ever-increasing speed to 94 at 30,000 feet. Then it drops back to 6 knots. This is a trick the National Weather Service uses to fit wind speeds of greater than 100 knots into their format. They subtract 100 from the wind speed, so this is actually 106 knots, but then they add 50 to the heading as a flag to let us know to alter the speed. So these 73s are actually wind from 230, same as the rest of the row, and these 2 wind speeds are 106 and 119. This trick only works up to 199 knot winds. It stops at 99. If the wind is higher than 199, this chart won't show it.